Let's talk about Simple Notification Service or SNS. SNS is a fully managed pub sub messaging service that enables you to send and receive the messages between different services and applications. It provides reliable, scalable, and highly available messaging capabilities that can be used to decouple the application components, coordinate the workflows, and trigger the downstream actions. SNS supports multiple message delivery protocols, including HTTP and HTTPS, email, SMS, mobile push notification, and AWS Lambda. SNS allow you to publish the message to multiple subscribers or endpoints simultaneously using either a topic-based or direct publish model. SNS provide message filtering capabilities that allow the subscriber to receive only the messages that are relevant to them based on message attributes and filter policies. SNS supports message encryption in transit using HTTPS and message encryption at rest using AWS KMS. SNS can be integrated with other AWS services such as AWS Lambda, CloudFormation, CloudTrail, CloudWatch to provide the seamless messaging capabilities across the AWS environment. SNS provides detailed monitoring and logging capabilities through Amazon CloudWatch, enabling you to track the message deliveries, errors, and performance metrics. SNS is a fully managed messaging service that enables the distribution of messages to multiple recipients or subscribers. It can be used to send message to a large number of subscribers such as mobile devices or distributed system. The architecture of SNS involves the following components. Publisher. These are applications that send the messages to SNS. A publisher send a message to a SNS topic. Subscribers. These are applications that receive the message from the SNS. The message is delivered to all subscribers that are subscribed to the topic. SNS supports a variety of subscriptions type, including email, SMS, HTTPS, AWS Lambda, and mobile push notifications. Additionally, SNS provides a feature called message filtering that enable the subscribers to receive only the messages that are relevant to them based on the filtering criteria. This helps the user to filter the messages that they want to receive. Topics are used to categorize the message and organize the subscribers. Publishers send message to topics and subscribers receive the message from the topic. Messages are the information that is exchanged between publishers and subscribers. They can be of any type, such as text or binary data. Each subscriber receives the message and process it. Amazon SNS is a powerful messaging service that provides a flexible and scalable way to send and receive the messages between different services and applications. Whether you need to coordinate workflows, trigger downstream actions, or deliver the real time notifications to your users, Amazon SNS can help you achieve your messaging goal with ease.